Hello, kids! Today, we are going to practice your reading comprehension. Are you ready? Let's begin. Matt the stag. Matt plays in the forest. Matt has 4 legs. Matt has long horns. The tall giraffe. A giraffe has a long neck. It is yellow with brown spots. It has 2 horns. Sam the seal. The seal is gray. Sam likes to play with a ball. Sam eats fish. A big bear. I see a big bear. He is brown. He lives in the woods.